Astrid in that little bed. Astrid's in that little donut bed. Hi, babies. Linda was actually a little happy to see me a couple of times today. She said, oh, well, what are you choking on? Because she says, because that lady gives me treats. Get a drink. Do you need a drink? Huh? And there's Laura. Laura's a little happier too. Yeah. Yeah. What's going on? What's going on? Y'all want treats? Do you want treats? Y'all learning what treats are, aren't you? Yeah. There's our babies. You're so cute. Oh, y'all so tired? You know why you're tired, kids? You know why? Because I hear y'all playing in here all night. I hear rah, 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 rah all night. So what are y'all doing in here, huh? What are y'all doing? Oh, Laura, what are you doing, huh? Linda says I'm not talking. And there's Astrid in that little donut bed I took out because I kept tearing it up. What are you doing, Astrid? Huh? See, I like my little bed. Sending lots of love and hugs. Say bye. Say bye. Bye. Oh, Dad's saying bye. Oh, so tired. Oh, so tired. You're precious. Oh, I think that's a piece of cow hoof, yeah. It's a piece of cow hoof y'all got. You're sweet. You my sweet girl. Say bye. What are you doing over there? She wants her supper. You ready to eat your supper, Astrid? Huh? You ready to eat? Huh? Do you want to go eat your supper? Huh? Linda loves Astrid. Look at her. She goes over there, wags her tail at her. Yeah. Look. Oh. Is that your baby, Astrid? Yeah. Look at her. So precious. Oh, and we got their results. They're Chagas negative. Ooh. My 2 and Lisa's 2 are all Chagas negative, thank goodness. There you go. There's my babies. Oh, you're so silly. You're so silly. than seeing little pups playing. No, nothing better. Nothing better than seeing little pups. Look at her. Look at that face. Oh my gosh. You my little pups. You're my pups. Yeah, y'all are getting used to me being in here. Yeah, what do you think about that? Y'all even play in front of me now. Yeah. Say sending love and hugs, everybody. It's Linda and Laura signing off. And Astrid.